Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to see in different example time intelligence function. So before getting into the Power BI desktop, so please try to watch all my previous videos. I'm explaining different examples with the different scenarios. So please try to watch all videos so that you'll get better understanding in DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the demo. So for time being, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting into the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from this Excel to into this Power BI. Okay, so customer, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, and fact internet sales. Okay, so these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact table. We are going to have a look. So go to the model tab, so just collapse these two, try to scroll down. Now you can see that I have established the relationship already between the dimension tables and fact tables. So if you place the mouse or between any two of them, like this is the dimension table, this is the fact table, now you can see that there is a color highlighting. It means that we have established based on this key column between the dimension and fact table, and also we can notice that how the direction is flowing. So the data is a filter propagation from this one direction to many direction. Even you can enable the both the direction, but it's up to the requirement. So based on that, so we can choose which option we have to go under. So likewise, I have established the relationship between the dimensions and fact tables. Okay, now I'll go to the report tab there. So I'll try to explain. So here we have two slicers, one is year and another one is month. Okay, so for getting in this month slicer, I have created a separate table for the month. Okay, if I click here, so I have created a separate table for getting that slicer and all. So we have year as well as month. So here what I'm doing here, so for the respective year and month, based on the month selection in one visual, for example, if I select the 6th month, it means June, means from January to June we are going to display. Okay, in case if I select June month, means from January to June month I am displaying, but in this different visual from June to December. Okay, so based on the month selection, if I select 6th month, means from 6th to December month, but here from January to up to the selected month. Okay, but here from selected month to the December month. Likewise, I have created the measures for getting these values under. For example, if I select July, means from January to July, but here July to December. August means January to August, August to December. So you can select any number, no problem. See, we have November up to November, here from November to December. Even you can change the slicer, I mean year also. Whatever the year we want to see the sales, based on that we can choose the month number. Automatically we are getting from two ways. One is from begin to up to the selected month, another one is from selected month to up to the December month. Okay, even if for example, if I select April, means from January to May, means from January to May month, here from May to December. So there are some cases will get a requirement like this, so that is the reason I have created this report like this. So for getting these values, I have created two measures, so I will try to understand what kind of expression I have written for getting these values and all. So go to here, so one is month sales, try to zoom it. So I have taken two variables, one is year variable, another one is month variable. So whatever the selection we have done with respect to the year, it will store in here, and with respect to the month. So based on that, by using filter function, I'm filtering the data. Okay, for example, if I select year 2003 means 2003, from 2003. So for example, if I select a month number, May means from 1, so 1st of January to less than or equal to month number. May means 5th, greater than 1, less than or equal to 5. Likewise, I have written the condition. Based on that, it is giving the values. So in another measure, here from greater than or equal to whatever the selection, less than or equal to 12th month. Okay, so likewise I have written this expression. It's very simple expression only. So based on that, we are getting the data. So you can select anything, something, because I just now change it, right? See, it's automatically changing. If I select July means 8th, 9th, 10th, even I can change the year also. So basically in 2004 year, I have data up to July only. So that is the reason we are not getting anything here. Okay, in case if we select 2001 means we have data from July onwards. So that is the reason we are getting the July here also, from October, November, December, because we have selected October month. So that is the reason we are getting 3 months here. But in this case, we have the sales from starting to July only. So that is the reason we are getting the from July month only. So likewise, we can enable the this kind of slicing and dicing. So I hope you understand this scenario. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email, drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.